Hello everybody, Lucas from Tulia is here and I hope you are doing as great as we do. Finally, the rainy season is gone and after 1 month of break, we are reopening the resort right now. And we use the time for maintenance and improvements and we are ready for the new season better than ever. If you are still not sure if Zanzibar is the right option for you, I will give you a few reasons why you should book right now. Zanzibar is open, welcoming everybody. You can just bring your PCR test and otherwise there are no mandatory quarantines and everybody is looking forward to see you here with open palms and open hearts and with a big smile. Airlines, you can come on behalf who you want. You can choose KLM, you can choose Turkish Airlines, you can choose Qatar or Ethiopian Airlines. Basically all big guys are back in the game and they are ready to bring you to your dream holiday. Talking about a dream holiday, Zanzibar is a place to be. It's a place with eternal sun, with beautiful beaches and most amazing local people. You will really enjoy it and I wish you to see it on your own eyes. But don't forget the most important thing. Zanzibar is a small island and we know the best places are always first to be taken. So book your holiday right now to secure the best place on the beach. And I would nearly forget about the most important thing because we have some gift for you as always. You can have airport transfer for free, you can have a yoga for free, you can have a paddleboards, you can have one massage for free and there is much more things. So I hope you are now convinced to choose the best place for your best holiday and you will come to Tulia. If you still have any questions, drop us a line and we will be happy to assist you. So if nothing else, then see you in Tulia. Bye!